everyone, I am Jordan and I am the owner of Nothing But Tires. So I'm going to do things a little bit differently than I normally do. Normally I handle all the marketing in the background. Now I decided to put my face on. So you got to contend with looking at me for a little bit. Get to look at my goofy shirt that my kids got me for my 40th. But also I'm going to be walking you around the building and fulfilling that promise. I'll show you what we're doing and talk about all the things that will be changing, because this is definitely a 2-cent tour. It doesn't look great, but we're going to make it look amazing. Our new automotive. Now it's big, but we know we'll be doing automotive installs and we'll be getting into the repair work, lift kits, whatever we can provide to ensure that we are your one-stop shop. Now from here, let's go up to the offices. All right. Like I said, it is a 2-cent tour because this place needs a lot of love. We don't even really have offices currently. We're gonna have to build those. Not much to look at, as I said. And then the last part, that's the backyard, where we can do some cool stuff. As I mentioned, we got a lot of room. The car shows was just one idea. Someone else also threw out maybe a movie night. Put on a nice Friday or Saturday night show. That water tank is definitely getting removed. Seems safe enough. And that would be your 2-cent tour. I plan on doing a few other videos. I would like to follow the construction of this place. It's gonna be all year long. Talking new windows, new lights, new floors, new walls, sprinklers. It's a lot of work. We're gonna make sure that we document everything and show everyone exactly what's going on. I'd also like to do follow-up videos and all the little things you need to know in order to buy a building, because this is my first. There was a few surprises along the way. It's been an interesting process. I want to be able to make other videos and tell you about a few things here and there that came up and I had to learn as I go. Thanks a lot.